Hello everyone. ICT at School is a government initiative that brought computers to many schools on a state level. We would like to present this great initiative throughout this short video. This is Unnati, a government funded school, part of the ICT at School project. This is the school's coordinator, Prakash. He helped us understand the use and benefits of the ICT project.
As a government-funded school, Unnati has to follow government policies. The state has provided the institution with labs, connectivity, and all the ICT infrastructure within the school. In today's world, computers are very helpful to kids. We find an increased presence of technology in railway, banks, and many other areas. And as such, schools could use the connectivity. It has become almost a necessity rather than a choice for teachers and governments to ensure that kids are computer literate. The school finds operational use in computers, and most of the processes such as filling of forms, accounts handling, timetable setting, etc. have become paperless. The benefits of digitization administrative tasks include but not limited to time saving, increased availability of information at all the times, and better quality of work. The ICT at School initiative empowers students by inciting them to study by themselves on the computers. Parents as well as students are enthused by this endeavor to the point that they become impatient for their children to start using computers. Private companies contracted by the government handle regular maintenance of the machines. Also, by making a call, schools can welcome a technician within an hour to attend to computers in case of an issue arises. Unfortunately, the demand outpaces the supply of this new technology. There are only 12 computers for 600 students. In the future, we would need to scale up so as to meet the dire need for computer.
A computer teacher, Kasan Bhai, tells us more.
The content has been prepared by the State Board and consists of math, science, and other subjects. BISAG, a program of the government, broadcasts this content at predefined schedules mentioned on monthly bulletins. Some interesting debates are also known to be part of BISAG. All this is distributed thanks to a satellite. A coordinator assigned by the government visits the school weekly for updates. Student application forms for the board exams become paperless and filled online with reduced possibility of errors. Internet connection is provided through a fiber network. The computers run on a Linux-based operating system, Ubuntu. This is a display of the user interface. It is interactive and contributes to the learning. A large variety of material is taught to the children. The programs offered cater to the youngest, from 10 years old to the older ones, in the 9th to 10th grade. Thanks to the simplicity and straightforwardness of the user interface, students have an exponential learning curve.
This is the previously mentioned bulletin where the schedule of programs for the month are shown. It remains at the disposal of the teachers who, in turn, schedule the classes. We can also see here the blueprint of an English exam designed to grade students who have prepared on the computers.
Here we are again. A lot of teaching happens here. Every week, students spend a couple hours here. As we said, by telecasting the chapters, they have a first phase of learning. The teachers act as reinforcement and build on what is taught interactively with the new technology. Obviously, classical methods are used as well. So the study of the ICT-able school was very interesting, but the question of whether it is efficient in enhancing the education of students remains. After having interacted with different protagonists, we were convinced. Students and parents seem to be ecstatic of the new teaching methods. Students seem to learn much more, and teachers certainly recognize the added value that interactive learning via these computers bring. We decided to visit a private school as well, so as to benchmark the practice of both institutions. We strongly believe that this would really give us an idea of the real value of the outcome of the ITC project. While the government-funded school was opting for interactive learning, the private school was simply using computers as mere tools that are standalone. It was very surprising to us to discover that government-sponsored schools had richer content and, in our opinion, were much more helpful to students as far as ICT goes.